This is it. Getting ready for moving day. Gotta move it from its resting place out into the open. But this is a beast. It is a beast. Damn thing. I do not know how to describe how a 20 horsepower compressor phew. And it's a Quincy. You can read that right in here. Quincy Compressor. But Rototech, I don't know what nuts you're talking about. They said you'd be able to tell the difference between the 5105. That's about right about an inch. That's about an inch. So, but it's got the recent unloaders, so I'm hoping that parts are readily available for it. Even the covers, look at that. They put a really thick plate in there. I guess they must have developed leaks. I'm wondering if this right here has the original badge number to it. I don't know, it's hard to tell. It doesn't look like a Quincy symbol. Can't read shit with the light. But damn, 200-gallon tank. That'll serve my needs. Let's get this on the road. Wow. Let's see if I can catch this thump. No gaps on one side. So it doesn't do it, but I did notice that oil filter, that air filter is like an oil filter. Clogged. I did hear it go off once. So only one side does that. Whew. I can see why it takes 20 horses to turn that thing. Damn flywheel is like 100 pounds. Alright, cool.